So, hello friends, welcome to my channel. So, in this video, I'm going to explain you about the Karnataka Board Second PO Information Technology question paper with solution. I am going to explain. Okay, it is 2025 question paper with solution. I will explain. So, first MCQ question part A. They will ask the 10 question. Each MCQ question, one mark for each question, totally 10 marks. Okay. First question: when the machine is unable to acquire the biometric data, then it is called as FTA, EER, FRR, or NFR. So then it's called as FTA. Option A is correct answer. Then second question: variable week of comes under which menu? Setup, registration, payroll, report. So the correct answer is option B, registration. Then the types of Aadhaar enrollment process are 2, 3, 4, 6. So the correct answer is option C, 4. The number of columns in a table is called cardinality, degree, constraints, attributes. So the correct answer is option B, degree. Next, fifth one, which command is used to change the structure of the table? Change, drop, alter, delete. So the correct answer is option C, alter. The candidate key which is not used is as primary key is called alternate key, super key, secondary key, or primary key. So the correct answer is option A, alternate key. Next, seventh question is which of the following is not a cloud-based system? Gmail, Facebook, Google Drive, Notepad. So the correct answer is option D, Notepad. Eighth question, which of the following is Government of India owned cloud service? Amazon, Apple, NIC, Google. So the correct answer is option C, NIC. The security department is not responsible for personal safety, computer system and equipment, electrical safety, personal belongings. So the correct answer is option D, personal belongings. Next 10 question. In fire classification, electrical material and equipment comes under class A material, class C material, class B material, class D material. So the correct answer is option C, class C material. Next part B. 10 questions will be given, 2 marks for each question, so totally 20 marks you have to write. Then write the steps to create daily punch report. First step 1, login to software by using administrator login and password. Select administration daily punches. If the administrator requires to see the daily punches of the back date, they need changes the date in the given menu. Then the daily punch report can be exported into the Excel format from the given below. Then write the steps to generate master report. Step 1, login. Step 2, select the report, attendance report, master report. Then supply the data such as department, designation, time and mode of the file in the respective field. Step 4, click on submit, get the master report. Next, 13th question. Write any 4 types of other enrollment process. Document-based enrollment, introducer-based enrollment, head of the department family-based enrollment, child enrollment below 5 years of age. Next, name any 4 other attendance and sub-report in biometric. Multiple punches report, absent report, late report, early report, overtime report, 2 reports, single punch report, employee leave report, and shift-wise report. Any 4 you have to write and explain. Give for example of database module. Hierarchical module, network module, entry related entity relational module, relational module. Okay. List of DCL command in SQL, grant and revoke. Then write any 2 data types with example. Numeric data type, example 1, 2, 3, 4, and string data type, prime name, address, date and time data type, date and time. Any 2 you have to write it, explain. Okay. And list any 4 RDBMS software: MySQL, MS Access, Oracle, DB2. Okay. Then list the service provider by NIC: education and training, providing agriculture related information, disaster management, office automation. Then what are the 2 types of signature detection system? Offline and online. Next, what is ergonomics with what is its purpose? Ergonomics is the type, it is a science concerned one with designing and arranging things so that the people can use them easily and safely. Its purpose is applying one ergonomics can reduce the potential for accident, injury to improve performance and productivity. What are the causes for air pollution in workplace? Air pollution is mostly caused by production of the dust mixture of solid particles and gases in the surrounding air. Extensive use of automobile vehicle in the campus can lead to the air pollute in the air, and ozone produced in the air can pollute the air. Then write a short note on first aid. First aid kits should be quickly accessible to the employees. It should contain all the important items for the first aid requirement to deal with the common problems such as cuts, burns, headaches, and muscle cramp. Then in part C, six question you have to answer 3 marks for each question, total 8 marks. Okay, they will give you eight, sorry, 18 marks. 24th question, write the steps to generate the time attendance report. First one, step one is to log in into the software by using the administrator login and password. Then select the report attendance report, FILO report. Then supply the data in the respective fields such as department, sub-department, designation, time. Then click on submit button. List of list the ABAS report. Attendance register, advanced report, date-wise attendance register, customized attendance register, weekly, monthly report, batch report, and batch graphical report. Then explain the process of preparation of driving license. So first is to check the eligibility, document requirement, online application reports, application for Saturday. Okay. Then name the components of SQL. The components of SQL, they are the data manipulation language, data definition language, data control language. Okay. Next, list the special database tools for handling biometric data. That is AFIS, IFIS, NGI, IDENT, HAT, CODIS, and NAFIS. 29th question, what is the purpose of selecting select statement in SQL and write the syntax and example. Select statement is used to retrieve the data from the table. Syntax is select into from table name and select star from uh, EMP table, its name. Okay. Then name the three basic patterns in finger: arch, loop, and word. Then list basic component of cloud architecture: front end, back end, and internet. And write any three types of accident of at workplace: slip and fall, injuries caused due to escalator or elevator. Then how to reduce the risk of visual problems while using computer. Adjust the brightness of computer screen to save your eyes from strain. Repositioning the screen to avoid the glare from lights or windows. Keep a proper vision distance from the computer screen and blink your eyes and interval. Then part D, 4 question you have to answer, two, 4 question is given, 2 question you have to answer, 6 marks to each question, totally 12 marks. Explain the FAR and FRO. FAR, that is false acceptance ratio. So the number of instances detected over a simple data where a wrong person is authenticated. False rejection ratio FRR, the number of instances detected over a sample data where a right person is not authenticated fair. And FRR or the parameters by which we can measure the reliability of the biometric attendance system. FAR can be computed by using a formula as below. FAR is equal to NFA by NEA into 1000, where FA or false acceptance ratio, number of false acceptance, number of enroll identification attempt. For any good biometric system, the FAR should be below range of 0.01. Okay. Then FRR is equal to NFR by NEAIA into 100%, where false rejection rate is equal to number of false rejection by number of enroll identification attempt. Then the next question, list the advantage of DBMS: data redundancy and inconsistency, difficulty in accessing the data, isolation of data, integrity problem, atomicity problem, concurrent accessibility anomalies. Then what are the components of basic cloud architecture and explain them. The front end, that is consisting of the user device or computer which is connected over network and accessing data application remotely. The backend refers to the Cloud itself, it contains all the group of networked computers, services, storage devices, and other services that forms the cloud, and a network connection internet to connect the back end cloud when need. Okay. Next, write the safety guidance checklist at workplace. First is store all cleaning chemicals in tightly closed container in separate cupboards. Throw rubbish daily and make sure all areas have proper lighting, and do not wear loose clothing or jewelry when working with machines. Never distract the attention of people who are working near a fire or with some machinery, tools, or equipment. Where requirement, wear protective items such as goggles, safety glasses, masks, gloves, and hair nets. Shut down all machines before leaving for the day. Do not play with the electrical controls or switches. Do not operate the machine. So you do not operate the machines or equipment until you have been properly trained and allowed to do so by your supervisor. Repair torn wires or broken plugs before using any electrical equipment, and do not use equipment if it smokes, sparks, or looks unsafe. Cover all food with a lid, plastic wrap, or aluminum foil. Okay. Any six you have to write it. Okay. So this is the question paper, means this is the IT question paper and solution. So I have solved here. So this video is helpful. Please give a like.